I think this is Ume. It looks beautiful. It looks super nice. And we are talking about the end of our YouTube challenge. We have uploaded 30 days, for 30 days each day for our main channel. And well, technically we still have one more video left, but the thumbnails also need to be edited, but we're almost done. And after we are pretty much fully done, the lesson will still be the same. The best lesson will still be the same, which is that I have sort of discovered the content type that I really like creating, which is the learning challenges and I guess one-day challenges as well. The 30-day challenges are also a format that I really enjoy creating because they are like actual longer periods of time where I can grow a bit more, or a lot more actually, compared to just 1 day or 1 hour. But in general, I really enjoy making the challenge content. And I was thinking to myself, if I were to model my channel after a YouTuber that I know, it would be Michelle Kade. I don't know if I'm saying her name correctly. I might be saying it too Japanese-like, and she's not Japanese. But I really enjoy her content. It's basically just content where she challenges herself to learn something or do something, like the fitness test for Navy or Army, as well as, I think she also had like a Rubik's Cube video, because I was watching a tutorial on how to solve the Rubik's Cube faster, and then one of the recommended videos was hers, where she's trying to solve it under 1 minute. I didn't watch it because I'm on Zero Entertainment and I can only watch tutorial stuff. Unless I try to model one of my videos after hers, then yes, I can watch it for research purposes. I'm kind of curious about it, so I might eventually do it, like maybe after I create my video for the Rubik's Cube one, because I don't want to make it too similar. But that video is basically what I wanted to create before I even saw her thumbnail. So I'm also trying to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 1 minute. And yeah, I just really enjoy her content from back then. Like, I watched her chess video, and what else? There was the chess one. I think there was one where she joined a circus. She makes really cool stuff, basically, and she makes it very fun with a lot of storytelling. That's what I want to do with my main channel. And I always consider it more like a dream. Like, when my friend asked me, what would you want to do as your job? I was like, I would really love to just learn things as my job. But of course, that's not a real job unless you can somehow turn it into entertainment for something like YouTube, which is what she's done. And I find it very impressive that she can do that. So I'm thinking to myself, like, you know, how can I also like do that? I don't have to find like enormous amounts of success or anything like that. I more so kind of just want to do it because it seems like such a fun video to create. And if I did get success with that format of video, it just proves that it works, or it can work. But I mean, she's basically proven that it can work, so it's really up to me if I have the skill to make it work for myself as well. So yeah, just something I've been thinking a lot about lately since the challenge forced me to think about YouTube a lot. Yeah, let's try it. I really want to create more stuff that I enjoy myself. Like, I enjoy watching, I enjoy making. I think the advice video stuff was, you know, it was cool, I guess. I very much modeled my challenge off of what I previously thought my channel was. But thinking about it, back then I even told myself, like, I'm kind of done with self-improvement videos. I don't want to make any more self-improvement videos because they're just not exactly satisfying, to be honest. I don't feel satisfied when I make one. I feel kind of like bored by it in a way. I mean, I like the stimulation of like thinking about the concepts and my own version of things, but at the same time, I'm just like, as a video itself, it doesn't feel very creative. It doesn't feel very like I'm putting that much thought into it. I'm just kind of like talking and also scripting a lot. At least that was like my video type back then, but now I'm just like, I don't really make that type of content anymore. But for this challenge I did, and I think I think it reminded me that I am kind of done with those videos. I don't mind, I think I said this back then, I don't mind making it once in a while, but like too much or like to make it my main type of video, I just can't do that. I have to go with my gut, and my gut says that I want to make more stuff like the learning challenges. So that's the biggest lesson I've learned from this YouTube challenge is do more challenges, and I think it'll be really, really fun. But I think that's about it. In terms of the biggest lesson from the YouTube challenge, I'd say I learned a lot, but the other things I'll talk about like once we're fully done, because I don't like jumping the gun. I feel like there is still work to be done to finish up the challenge, and until we get it fully done, I don't want to talk about it entirely yet, but that is the biggest lesson. Okay, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.